Rosenbaum from and today I want to talk to everybody about IP complaints from rights owners on Amazon. When you're an Amazon seller, you might receive copyright complaints or IP infringement complaints, and those complaints will come with a standard Amazon email, and in the email will be the information for the rights owner. Usually it's just the name and an email. And when you receive those kind of complaints, somebody has found a intellectual property specialist or lawyer, and they have filed a complaint against you through this entity, through this intellectual property specialist. And they usually want you to stop selling your items or remove your items, or in some cases, even if you receive enough of those complaints, will have your account suspended. And the thing about the intellectual property owners, or the rights owners in this case, is that we often send them a letter demanding they provide more specific basis for their complaint. And that's because when they file those complaints with Amazon, there's really not that much information besides providing Amazon with the trademark regarding their intellectual property, which helps them to basically file the complaint. One of the bigger things we use is the first sale doctrine, which means that Amazon allows you to buy the items from a reputable distributor and the items are genuine and authentic, then you could resell the item. This is American law, and we'll argue that by selling the items on Amazon, we're not infringing on anybody's rights. And we have seen cases where the rights owner will respond through their intellectual property firm stating that they want to see invoices or they want you to prove that your item is authentic. This is a way of them turning the table around so that the burden of proof lies on the seller, or you in this case, to prove that your items are authentic, while it should be the rights owners. If they, for example, do file a lawsuit against you, the burden by law rests upon them for them to prove that if you're violating their intellectual property rights or not. So usually we respond by saying that we think you're probably filing those complaints as a way of reinforcing distribution of your products, and please provide more information. We do not like to provide invoices or additional information as proof to rights owners, because a lot of times those IP specialist firms or law firms will take your information, your supply information and things like that, and use that towards their advantage, which a lot of times does not end well for the sellers. So there you have it.
So if you have any questions about any type of IP infringement or any kind of complaints you have in your account, please don't hesitate, especially this time of year. We're here for you. Please give us a call at 1-877-9-SELLERS.